Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's super fast list review video, I'm going to share with you a brand new training program by a six-figure earner and elite coach, Dawood, and his latest product is called Super Fast List. And what he's giving you here within the members area are 10 fast methods to building a list. And he's also showing you how you can earn while you learn. And he wants to teach you how to get thousands of subscribers every month by following his methods. It's great for beginners. So if you want to start at the very beginning of list building, I'll take you in the members area. There's 10 different modules and methods to go through. And this works in any niche. So it's not just in the make money online niche. It's list building within any niche that you might be promoting. Each method's got full video training provided, and you can click here to get access. Just show you how much it is for the price. The price at the moment is no monthly cost. This is a one-time $6.95 price to be a member. So the link in the description will take you to that page there. And also, if you want to be an affiliate, then there's low to high ticket affiliate commissions with a done for you funnel. The highest commission there is at $4.97, which I'll come to shortly. And you don't have to buy that high ticket offer to earn that commission, which is quite rare in the industry. Normally, you've got to buy the high ticket offer before the owner will give you an affiliate link to promote it. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. So we're not making any income claims in this video. We're just showing you we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of Super Fast List and also promote that the offer as an affiliate. So before we go into the members area, let's just have a look at who Dawood is, because Dawood is not only a six-figure earner and an elite coach, he's also an ex-journalist. So he understands within email. He understands email subject lines. He understands email copy. He's very, very good as an ex-journalist. He's very, very good with words. And that's a key thing that he's going to teach you in a lot of these methods, is how to not just generate leads, but how to be able to convert leads into commissions. And you'll see here that he's got a lot of credibility. He's a top 10% vendor, which is a product creator in the Warrior Plus marketplace. He's an elite vendor. He's a top 25% affiliate, elite affiliate, and 8 of his products have been featured in the Warrior Plus marketplace. So I buy all of his products because I know, like, and trust him, and I think they're great value. And this one especially for list building, which is absolutely key to be able to follow up with your prospects, which is where the majority of the money is made with affiliate marketing. So let's have a look inside the members area here. So it gives you a welcome video here, then an overview. Now he talks about in the main training section here, you're going to hear the main training section in this introduction. He tells you here that each of these 10 methods, so there's 10 different methods here that are going to help you build your list fast. Not only build your list fast, but also teach you how to convert leads into commissions. Now, what he recommends is that you follow each one in chronological order, so you don't go straight to number 10. If you've got some experience, then he says you can jump about with these, but especially for the new people, he recommends that you start with method 1, and then you perfect method 1, and then you move on to method 2. So he's put these in a nice structured way that will allow those that are really haven't got the experience yet in list building, will help you develop your skills, and then you can move on to the next method. So that's what I like about the system itself, is that it's very beginner friendly, but it's also structured in a way that you can learn a skill. You can take that skill, you can take action, get some results, and then you can build on that skill with another one. So it's a great system for that. He's also got some bonuses down here. He's very big on bonuses. There's some unadvertised bonuses in here, but the crux of the system, really, of the training, is in those 10 methods. So let's have a look. If you want to become an affiliate, so let's say if you want to promote this offer as an affiliate, then you've got an opportunity to promote one link and earn multiple income streams. The highest one here is Dawood has got his own Elite Academy. So he charges $997. He charges nearly $1,000 to coach and train people. So you're in very safe hands here. You can't charge people $1,000 if you haven't got the knowledge and experience to help people become successful with affiliate marketing. So if any of your referrals do join the Elite Academy, then your commission would be $299. So you don't have to buy this product yourself to earn these commissions. He does a monthly recurring payment on that one, which is 3 payments of $149. So when I talked in the video at the beginning about earning that should be $447, not $497, $447, then that's where that number comes from there. And what you'll see is there's also other, he's got other traffic offers here in the funnel, reseller rights, so different price points for different products. So if you do become an affiliate, you get your affiliate link, and it's a great way to get your Superfast List money back that you've paid, your $6.95. And also a lot of people are looking to start list building. They understand that that's really what you need to do to become successful. So it's going to be a great program for you to promote and help people build their list and start to become successful with this strategy. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I've got several new videos. I'm doing several new videos every week. I've now got over 1,000 videos on the channel. And if you've got any questions about Superfast List, then please put those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So the link in the description will take you to this page here. I recommend you watch a short video here, have a look at all the information. You can join through here, and then further down on this page you're going to see all about Dawood and his launch partner, Alberto. You're going to see all the bonuses that you're going to get. He does 5 bonuses. He's going to give you those for free. So he's very big on bonuses and giving you great value with his offers. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.